man behind this show, Lalit Sharma, my brother, who's the founder of Lil Miracles.
This requires huge round of applause. Come on.
Thank you very much. Today, I thought let me just tell you our story, yeah, and how did we reach with our story to this annual day today. When we were kids, छोटे थे ना, एक दूसरे को बहुत मारते थे, yeah. From there, she used to be, a bookworm kind of a person. She used to study a lot. एग्जाम के पहले 2 महीने से पढ़ाई कर रही होती थी, एंड मैं एक रात पढ़ के पहले, एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेट मोर परसेंटेज. So there was nothing common between us. और इसी बात पे लड़ाइयाँ होती थी. बट एक चीज़ कॉमन थी हमारे में, that was the day of the exam का results. So when we used to come home, we used to come like this. Now this is not a dance step, पीछे से पापा की मार पड़ रही होती थी हमें. Now coming from there, that journey, and here we are. Situation from there, now I've got 2 daughters. Parenting has changed a lot. Situation ऐसा हो गया है, मारना तो बहुत दूर की बात है, हम बच्चों को अभी आज के टाइम में आँख भी नहीं दिखा सकते हैं. That is incorrect also. There is a way that we have to see and talk to our kids. Everything what they do, they are mirroring us. Remember that. Maybe peers, maybe friends, कहीं ना कहीं वो कुछ देख के ही सीख रहे हैं, right? Nobody is learned from their mother's womb and come to this earth. So, and we know right now the situation with the kids have been, going really bad, and every day we have some or the other news. So, the awakening, that's how the name came into the picture. It's an awakening for all of us. Let's adapt to this change. And the schooling which was there earlier, जो हमने और आपने स्कूल देखा है वो बहुत अलग था. आज के स्कूल्स बहुत अलग हैं. So let us give them all the strength and the life skills that they need to survive in the future. We as when we all were kids, हम सब रुकते थे दूरदर्शन के लिए, right? Now for our kids, you've got YouTube on the palm or the TV. So आप समझ रहे हैं उनका पेशेंस लेवल नहीं है. उनको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा ना, change. In a fraction of a second they can change. With a swipe they can change things. So the patience has to come with us, right? So that patience plus the learning, whatever we can give them for life skills, is delivered to every one of us and to them as well during this show. So sit back, enjoy the show. Thank you very much, guys.